Jagoro mongirore migao mar arita Rayond Omollo otelo nyasi mar keto ayanga chenro mag jiwo arita kuonde dak mopogore opogore pacho ka kod bombe ma otis ni usalama mitaani. Jokanyo mag riwruog jodak gwenge kod bombe mong'ere kaka kara ojiwo kenge mag neno ni arita ojiw ka jopiny bende okwa mondo otim machiegni kod apisas mag arita e jiwo arita kwe. Owinjane kaka weche dhigi sane.
More effective safety strategy. We will encourage more residents to engage in safety initiatives, and that will enhance local safety and trust, which is a very important aspect of security. And then finally, we'll be establishing sustainable models for ongoing community involvement in security initiative, ensuring a lasting impact. So a rallying call for each and every one of us to support Usalama Mitani. We are requesting you as the residents work very closely with the government. We are requesting the government agencies to support this program so that we can take charge of our security and create a safe and peaceful environment for each and every resident of this country. Thank you very much.
Asante sana, wacheni tupigie makofi tena for that session, Bwana Sixtus. Asante Udumbe. Na sijui kama watu wameshika. Just checking that whether that program we have understood it. Na kama kuna swali, I'll have some moment unaweza uliza swali before Bwana Sixtus aende. Lakini tumesikiza mambo mengi. We have listened to a few of the resident associations. Tumesikiza Mombasa, tukasikiza Kisumu, tukasikiza Nakuru, na pia representation hapa Nairobi tumesikiza kutoka Komarok. Sijui kama kuna watu wa pande nyingine. Hebu acha nione kwa mkono kuna. Oh, okay. Hii ni pande gani? Westlands.